Hi, this is Mike. We're going to be doing a little bit of tour of my shop. Show you what I got, what tools I got. I mean, I'm sure I got more than this, what's going on. One of the tools I use quite a bit is that engine hoist right there. It's a portable one. Picked that one up on Craigslist for 50 bucks. I got my press over there. Picked that up on Craigslist for $30. Right here is a 1997 Audi A4. Motors pulled out of it. And if you can see on top of that, there's a jug for a blaster sitting on there. Got to do both those motors still. Over here is a Miller Blue Star 1E. I think it's late 60s, early 70s. Behind that's a Craftsman 220, 5 horsepower air compressor. Got a snowblower back there. Got the leads there for my welder and some extra extension cords up there. Moving my way over to this way. Over there, sitting on my welding rack, I got a Century AC/DC stick welder. I got a Lincoln Weld Pack 100 right there. Bottle with the green top on it's pure argon. The brown bottle with the regulator connected to it is C25. My next video, I'm going to be welding on this plate here. Going to show you the difference between C25 and argon welding. I already started it. On the left, far left, is drag C25. Then I got push C25, second one over. Third one over is drag pure argon with mild steel wire. And then push pure argon with mild steel wire. I got my oxygen bottle. My acetylene bottle's back here. It's empty. So I've been using propane. I gotta tell you what, them torches. This is my Harris torch right here. It's got a propylene tip on it right now. I got my acetylene tip right here. There's all my tools back there, my Craftsman toolbox. I got one generator down there, another generator down here. On the rack on top and the back is a Polaris 400L taken apart. I gotta put the motor back into that one. I built the rack that it's sitting on. And I got a TRX 300 sitting right here. Got a bunch of head parts for a gold wing back there. And then there's some extra steel sitting in the back. I got some extra steel sitting up over here. Here's an anvil that I started already. Did some welding on it. It's made up out of a railroad track, I mean. I added the top piece to it. I added the front and the back to it. There's the bottom of that. Here's some of the welds. Not too bad. That was with the Weld Pack 100. This is my welding table right here, kind of messy. There's my smaller air compressor right there that I use when it's easier to get around. And there's a piece of 3/8 plate sitting on the ground for now. Use that for other projects here and there. My next video is going to be, like I said, doing the argon C25 welding on mild steel. I'll probably try to flip the polarities around in the welder to see if it makes any difference too. And I'll be doing some movies with the Miller Blue Star 1E here in a little bit. And just do some general welding videos here and there. This is a bench I welded up together just out of some scrap metal that I found in the garbage can around here. Just use some 3/8 rebar, 1/2 inch rebar. I got some welds on these, some welds on here. Messing around with some welds over here, so doing some uphill with some 718. And then we got some welds over there. Gonna put a piece of wood on top of this and make a bench out of it. And there's my chop saw right there. When I get some more stuff done, I'll post up some more videos. Thanks, YouTube.